Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. You've been here before. So this is the Outre 13x4 lace frontal wig. This is the knotless square parts braid wig. This is how it's looking. So I'm just showing you how it's looking. It's in the color DR1B/2T3027. So I'm just showing that. I'm showing how the back looks. It has the wefts like where it's sewed in the back. And I just flipped it over to show you how the cap looks, and that it has 2 combs in the side, 1 comb in the back. That also has an elastic band, and it has adjustable straps on it. So go ahead and get started. I'm using my Ebin Wonder Lace adhesive spray, and I'm gonna do 2 layers of that and use the blow dryer between each layer. And now I'm going to use my Ghostbond XL glue, and I'm going to do the same thing. Use 2 layers. Use a blow dryer between each layer. First I'm just going to put it down, and then I'm going to smooth it out. And now I'm just putting the wig down. And I'm tying my band, my belting band around there for 10 minutes, 10-12 minutes. And I took it off, and now I'm just cutting my baby hairs. And I'm just going to style my baby hairs. And now I'm just coming out and putting my scarf on. I didn't want it to come out on the stick or have any residue on there, so that's why I'm using that instead of the band. And after I took it off, I'm just coming out and put some of my powder in the parts. And that is it, y'all. I'm just showing y'all how it looks, and how it looks in the front and everything. And I did decide to go ahead and style it, just put part of it in a ponytail and leave the rest down. Y'all, hope you all enjoyed this tutorial on this Outre lace frontal wig, this braided wig. I like this wig. It's convenient, especially if you don't want to come out and sit in the chair for hours to get your hair braided. I appreciate you all watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Comment, like, share. Give me a thumbs up because that helps my channel. I will see you on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.